That's good. I don't try not to smoke them here. Okay, we just went through this one. That's the last video. We're gonna go ahead and go through this one and see how the bottom hive looks.
Oh, we got bees.
That's good. You don't need to smoke them.
I'm just throwing some out there so they get a sniff of it. Oh, you're gonna have a tool for that. Not much there.
Not much at all.
Something going on there, though. I don't know. That might be.
That's some funk. Oh, this one over here, they're building out too far.
What's bullshit? Why is that?
They're just, when they have room, that's what they do. They do stupid
Why
stuff.
not you had it all fixed so that didn't happen?
No. You gotta fix it now.
You need a hive tool. Chief.
Not when you got vice grip fingers like me.
Yeah, but I don't have them. See, I'm old.
Ooh, this is heavy.
Woo! I see honey.
This is honey here, and then this is all larva over here.
That's larva right there.
Right. That's brood. That's worker bee. That is a lot of honey right there.
That is a lot, Chief.
It's heavy. You should feel how heavy that is.
I know how heavy they are. I've had mine.
So what I'm going to do here, put that back. Take this one. I need to get my hive tool out. There it is. They're all looking at me. It's okay to have like a 8-minute video. I'm gonna try and get it. Yeah.
Oops.
That's all worker bee larva.
I think you're in good shape. Gee, look at all that. Oh,
that's honey.
Honey.
That's a double stack right there, like what you got.
One.
Yeah, I know. I got to do something about
cut
that.
Cut that one off of mine. I don't know.
I think I do need to cut that off there.
You're not going to do it.
Yes, I am.
How come they got that? Ooh, see the honey's going.
This is not what you want to see. Since the queen's not there, I'm not as worried about it.
At least you know where the queen is.
Right. Why are they building such a funky deal? Do it right, guys.
Yeah, no kidding. They decided for the damnedest reason they're going to stand out from there. Isn't that amazing?
So, we just fixed that. That needed to be fixed a long time ago.
Oh, so it's been there before. Oh. He's giving me the business about my double stack.
I'm going to flip this over like this. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, do it. Come on.
I'm
It's the
thinking.
third try. Get on him a little bit. Come on, Tim.
Yeah, I need you to get on that video and, well.
Who said all you gotta do is smoke them? I just smoke them for you.
I don't like anybody working my bees but me. I'm kind of
What's Tim doing here then?
He's the he's the videographer. He got that from his daughter. Isn't that what she does? Something like that?
Well, they drawn out everything except that corner. What the? Oh, that's where the double stack was, I bet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right. This is,
Oh, what's that? Right there, looks like a queen cell to me.
No, that's not. It's just a bump out of ugliness.
Oh.
I'm going to call that okay.
Sure you
This here is going to be ugly here. Hold that for a second. Just support it with your fingers. You got it?
will. I think I'm going to drop it.
Oh, I got a funky thing going
Oh,
there.
that sucker.
I wanted to look at that. I don't know what's going on there.
I'm not going to hold this forever. Where do you want to put it in over there next to the other
So
one?
I got larvae going here, capped brood. I got a lot of bees coming here in a second.
You sure do.
This bee's dead. He needs to go. I'll get rid of
My
him.
hands are starting to slip.
Okay.
Make it quick. He's going to sting me. Once he stings me, I'm done.
Oh, dude, we're dead then. We're all in trouble then.
You didn't like
Don't move fast. Yeah, they don't like when you move fast. Grab that bee.
Don't have to worry about Tim. He don't move fast.
Taking that crap, Tim? They call him Timbo from these parts. He's like Rambo except for Tim. Okay, they're getting pissed. They're getting pithy.
I don't blame them. You gotta keep the smoke rolling in the area. You don't have to really smoke them, I don't think. Just so they smell the smoke. They say, uh-oh, we gotta watch ourselves.
Run! 8. So we saw the queen in the top. Oop, I already had that one out. Dang it.
Yep. Now they're really gonna be pissed. I'm gonna get behind Tim. Have you been stung yet?
No.
Hey! Tim hadn't been stung. Get him
They
on.
like
Get
me.
one over here.
They like me.
They like me. Hey, you're funny.
I got honey, nectar, a little bit of brood. Oop, sorry, I killed that bee.
You got honey up here at the top corners too.
Honey, worker brood.
And a big old hole right there, but that was because there was a thing on the other
Yeah,
side.
this here is a drone cell right there.
Yep, I see him.
Okay.
Woo! That thing was nasty.
Ooh, I got something funky going on over here.
Oh boy, here we go.
It might be a queen cell. It better not be. Ah, stung me. Smoke.
You get stung?
Yeah, they're getting mad.
All right, Tim, let's go to the house.
Jumped on my finger. There, I got him out. Bastards. Edit that out.
That word was okay, wasn't it? But mine was not.
You said way worse. Bastard's just a female dog, right?
I got some.
No, Mary.
I got 7 minutes.
7
It's
minutes.
fine. We're doing good.
You got a minute.
It'll be entertaining. We both. I got stung. I got something going on right here. What is this funkiness? Ooh. What is that?
Oh, was the gap on the other side.
That's some weirdness, isn't it?
Isn't that something? Oh, they built
Look at this
that up.
weirdness.
You got more honey than I got. I'm telling you, there's a lot of honey in this.
There's worker brood again.
You got a good queen. You ain't got anything to complain about.
I don't want to complain. Oh, there's
Pay that guy.
What do you mean? I already paid him.
Send him. Oh, you did? I thought you were gonna hold out for.
I think I need that.
Oh no! Here we go.
Oh boy.
Mad bees. That was peeling it right off. It's too bad. These guys have worked that so hard to get it this far. Now they'll be climbing your leg.
Oh, it's either under it. There. Now I don't want that to be lined up anymore, so I'll flip this over. Smoke them real quick. That pissed him off. Yeah, stung again.
Not really too much room here. You're gonna smoke it. There you go. That's gonna run.
Okay, calm down. Calm down, buddy. Oh, I see, they sense my sting. I got stung right there, and they smell that pheromone.
My wife thinks I'm nuts. Just hanging around with him. They think I'm nuts. So I don't know what they think of you.
Tim lives next door to me. Oh, there's some worker brood. Look at the honey on the top of that.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Ready to go. Can I say a bad
Look at
word?
that worker brood.
Oh my God, that's all. You're gonna have 10,000 bees here shortly.
That's the goal. So, I mean, if you rush it too much, you know what happens. You do what you did. Oh, I'm just killing bees left and right. Okay, second to the last. Ooh, look at the worker brood on that. Yep. Pollen, see the black and the dark and the brown? Pollen. They're drawing that out, actually. Worker brood.
Honey up in the corner.
Yep. There's a squished bee.
All right, moving along here.
All right, gentlemen, I think we have a wiener schnitzel. Oh, I got a bee flying on me.
No, not much.
They're working on this side, but not much. Alright guys, I'm pretty happy with that.
One more to put in. You're not going to move it all back across. I thought you were going to leave that one over there on that side. I don't know if I want to be your bee or be my boss. See? That should be in the middle where they put it. That's okay. It's just my opinion. I don't know anything.
I wonder if I shouldn't drop. Got
Right.
stung right in the eye. Get out of the way. We're almost done here. Getting close.
This is a perfect place. The smoke stays right here. Beautiful. Good.
Well, Queen is kicking booty. Now you gotta smoke these guys down so I don't kill them. Now get down, get down.
Need a brush.
I got a brush. I got 2 brushes.
You got everything times 2. That sucks. There they go. They're out of here. You only got one.
Probably killed 10 or 15 here.
I think you're gonna be fine. You got lots of freaking bees. Yeah, you do have a bigger one than I do.
You heard that? He's got a big one. Mine's way bigger. Okay.